Hello, welcome to Unbound Digital's Proofpoint 101 instructional video. Here we'll go over the basics of Proofpoint and what your quarantine digest covers and what you'll see on a day-to-day basis. When your business is registered with Proofpoint, you'll start to receive a daily email from Proofpoint containing your current digest. This is a list of emails that are kept in your quarantine mailbox and will need to be addressed. By default, anything left in quarantine will be deleted after 30 days. Shown here is an example of a digest email. There are a few fields that you'll see, including the address of the sender, the subject line of the email, the delivery time and date of when it came through, and then action panel. From here, you'll be able to see a safe preview of your messages. Click on the preview button here listed underneath action. This will open up a new window and it'll give you a bare bones view of the actual email. As you can see here, images are disabled by default. If you look around, you'll be able to see kind of the basic idea if there's any text been put in the document. However, this will not show any attachments or will not show any embedded images. If you wish to see images, you may do so. However, there is a warning that you may see here at the top. If you click on the bottom here at Show Images, at the top here, you will get an information that says, be careful with what you open up in any emails. In this case, we know who the sender is. This is more than likely just a spam or a seller. And so within either the preview window or within the email that you received, you'll be able to see a couple different actions. We've just explored preview, and that gives you a safe view of it. If you click on released for this sender, you'll be able to give a one-time pass for this email to be delivered to your mailbox. However, on the next time, if the sender is not greenlit, then they'll be caught next time in quarantine. If you click release and approve, this will allow for the email to both get a pass and the sender will receive a check mark or they'll be added to your whitelist for your domain. If you click on block, this will keep the email here in quarantine and it will make a black check mark for the sender that sent you the email. If you need to remove this, you can either contact us at unbounddigital.net and give us a call. If you're having any further issues with releasing emails, there may be other issues at play. By default, you'll be able to release any email that's classified as spam, anything that has potential phishing emails, or if there's issues with spoofing, this can come in the form of failing certain checks, such as SPF record as the most common, or as DKIM checks as well. For any of these higher level threats, such as phishing, DKIM, or SPF, please give us a call. Thank you again for choosing Unbound Digital and Proofpoint for your email needs.